Hey guys, this is our ABC writing tablet page 27 and 28. We're going to be looking at the letter A, the letter L, and the letter O. So first, let's start by writing our letter L's. Pull down, pull down, pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, pull down, pull down, push across. Remember, they stay in between these two lines, the upstairs and the downstairs. Then your lowercase a is going to be only in the downstairs. A ball, pull up, pull down. A ball, push up, pull down. A ball, push up, pull down. A ball, push up, pull down. Let's flip it over on the back. All right, capital L's upstairs and the downstairs. It's a pull down with a push across. Pull down for the lowercase. Pull down, push across, pull down. Pull down, push across, pull down. Now our lowercase o, these are pretty easy. They're just a ball, 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 ball. All right, let's trace these letters on the log. Pull down, push across, pull down. Your uppercase O and your lowercase o. Now this is neat over here. Let's do this. We're going to blend these. We know that L says ol, and we know what our vowels say, right? A, e, I, So let's blend this. Ul, a, la. Ul, e, le. Ul, I, li. Ul, la. Ul, la. Good, friends. All right, see you later.